French girl
with a doll steak knife.
The one that was like making out with everybody.
Rusty
In the hot tub.
spoon.
I'll slit your
Yeah, I
throat
do.
with a rusty
Crazy,
spoon.
eh?
You gotta get a shot of the mount. Are you videotaping?
Are
Yes.
you videotaping? Oh shit! All right.
Whenever you're ready, no rush.
All right. I'm Justin Backiney, and this is the pussy eating cough. Oh, sorry.
Wowzer.
Just gonna see one of them. It's awesome.
I went out with a girl from hell. Her pubes were green and kinda smelled, but her face was nice, and I had lost a drink. I went down to eat out her box, but it felt like I was grooming an ox. She had crabs and lobsters in there too. I finished on her and she went down on me. Life sometimes in perfect harmony, and then I got up and walked away. I went home for a rest, and when I awoke, I was in distress. I got the pussy eating cough. A little hair in the back of your throat that makes you feel like you're about to choke. I got the pussy eating cough. Day and night, it's always there, like skid marks in your underwear. I got the pussy eating cough. All right, everyone, the chorus line. This went on for a couple of weeks. Finally coughed up the last piece and pulled it out of my teeth. Got rid of the pussy eating cough. She called me over for dessert. I skipped it and went for her skirt. Guess what I got, guys? The pussy eating cough.
Yeah.
Wowzers, eh?
It's in my greatest hits collection.
Yeah, I guess.
Awesome.
I'm not gonna deny that.
Cheers to that.